Gozaimasu. Good morning, everyone. Watashi no namae wa Bobby Raza desu. 32歳になります。日本で聞いたばかりです。2年前は日本で聞いた。だから今日本語少しだけね喋ります。ペラペラじゃなくて、だから今勉強中。Let me explain more about myself that I have vast experience for teaching English, and the reason I want to work with your organization is that I am persistent, passionate, interactive, and innovative. And I believe that I can bring my energy to motivate the students to learn English in an interactive way. And my hobbies include I love to play cricket and soccer and also badminton. Thank you so very much. よろしくお願いいたします。ありがとうございました。気をつけてください。
Good morning, everyone. Task number 2. Interact was established in 1972, and since our foundation, the company has expanded into the ALT market to become the leading private organization for ALTs in Japan. Interact's vision is incorporated in our corporate philosophy through providing whole person educational services that enrich the hearts, minds, and lives of people of all ages. We will achieve a more meaningful society by promoting a deeper understanding of the world's languages, culture, and learning. We will contribute to more harmonious and closely knit relations among all people. We now have over 3,400 ALTs living and working all over Japan. The company may be large, but we measure our success not in the numbers, but in the joy of both the students and ALTs in the classroom. Arigatou gozaimashita. Yoroshiku onegai itashimasu. Good morning, Minna-san. How are you doing today? Fine? Fine and shine. Excellent. Move your body. Excellent. 一緒に歌いましょう。Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. No. After Wednesday, Friday? No, dame. No, 違います。After Wednesday is Thursday. So continue from again. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 7 days of the week, 7 days in a week. Saturday, Sunday are the holidays. Excellent. Very nice. もう一回大丈夫ですか ?OK。一緒に歌いましょう。Now it's raining more than ever. はい、一緒に。Now it's raining more than ever. I am here forever. You all can stand under my umbrella. Ella, under my umbrella. Ella, you can stand under my umbrella. Ella, under my umbrella. This is umbrella. Casa. Under. Watashi, under this umbrella. So you all can come under this umbrella. Ella, under my umbrella. Ella, oh, under my umbrella. Arigatou gozaimasu. 気をつけてください。よろしくお願いいたします。Morning, everyone. Task number 4. My name is Bob. Your name is Kenji. You are my friend, Tomodachi. Tomodachi Ishoto Hanashiru ne. We will communicate each other. Who would like to talk with me? Kenji, excellent. So come here, my friend. Come here, please. Dozo, arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you, Mr. Kenji. My name is Bob. Okay? Your name is Kenji. We will talk about today. We start. What did you ask, Mr. Kenji? Speak louder. What did you do today? 今日は何をしましたか？私、買い物行きました。I went to the shopping. Excellent, excellent. I went to the shopping. I went to the shopping. Shopping is 買い物. Very good, very good. This is my shopping bag. What did you ask? Okay. Really? What did you buy? I bought a new pair of shoes. I bought 2 futari shoes, 2 pair of shoes. Kenji, casual shoes or dress shoes? It was jogging shoes for running. Running shoes. Do you jog? Do you jog daily? No. But I hope to start from tomorrow. Watashi wa hajimitai desu. Good luck. Gambatte. Good luck. Yoroshiku onegai itashimasu.
The next part of this lesson is we have 30 students in the class. So we have 3 teams, A, B and C. A for America, B for Brazil, C for Canada. A Alpha, B Bravo, C Charlie. So we will make 15 pairs, group of 2 students. We need practice for this lesson. We do practice for this lesson shopping. So Alize and Ibrahim, you will be talking each other. And Amona and Kaha, you both will be 1 pair. We need 15 pairs. You all have 30 seconds to make quickly pairs. Then you talk about this topic with each other for the practice. Thank you so much. よろしくお願いいたします。ありがとうございました。じゃあまた。